At the end of every school year, we have a talent show. Each of our students has the opportunity to show off a skill they've learned. At Chispas of Change, these precious children have learned that they are fearfully and wonderfully made in the image of God. Thank you for all of your support and prayers this year. 2025 was a year full of both great challenges and great joy. We have seen God's faithfulness through it all. God has drawn many children to Himself, and you have been part of that through your giving. But the work is not over. The harvest is abundant. In the new year, we will continue serving these precious children and new students, God willing, through discipleship, education, and nutrition. Thank you for your continued support of this work that God is doing in Guatemala. May God bless you and your family in 2026.